What is going on, everybody? We made it to 500. I am so excited, so happy to make it to 500. I've been at this YouTube thing now for like over a year, a little over a year, and just getting to 500 now. I've put out a lot of videos. I put some time and effort into them, so it is nice to see the channel growing a little bit so other people can see my videos. So I had said at 500 subscribers I'd be giving away this RC Propaganda air freshener. It is a nice pine scent. It's got my Scale Life image on there, and it is very nice. Smells good. It's going to be super simple, US only, and all you got to do is leave a comment. I'll use a random comment picker. We're going to leave the video up until the 21st, and on the 21st I will pick a winner in the morning. So I leave for vacation the next day, so I won't be back for 10 days, and then I will send it right out when I get back from my vacation. I'm just going camping, not very far from where I live, so shouldn't be a problem. But yeah, I just want to say thanks, guys, for 500. I know a few of you guys always pop in my streams and say hi and chat and stuff. I really appreciate it. I've really been trying to grow the channel and try to bring you guys good videos. Winter was a little rough on me, so I'm very happy now that the temperatures are starting to turn around, the snow is starting to melt, and I can get back out there and make more great videos for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned to see who the winner is on the 22nd. I mean on the 21st rather. I'll make a video and we'll select the winner, and I will get this air freshener shipped out to whoever wins it. So thanks again, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.